Absolutely. He says the past couple of episodes have covered the macOS oddity where the host name continually gets incremented. Tom recently pointed to sleep as a contributing factor. While I have found this to also be the case, it was not the only factor. I had this problem on my Mac Mini years ago. However, at the time, I was connected to my network by both wired Ethernet and Wi Fi. I did this because in order to get the continual goodness continuity. Oh, the feature in macOS. I did this because in order to get continuity goodness, Wi-Fi is needed. Later, I found out that while Wi-Fi needs to be enabled, you do not need to be connected to the network via Wi-Fi if you are connected to the network via other means. Once I set the computer to not connect via Wi-Fi, my hostname incrementing issues vanished. I still had access to the continuity features. I think having dual connections resulted in a race condition where the system was confused and believed the host name to be in use as the system was waking and reconnecting to the network.
That's good advice. I do that here in the studio and down in the office because I want my I want the continuity goodness, and I am connected via Ethernet, so I don't need two connections going to my Mac. So yeah, you can, to do it, you uncheck you go into the Wi-Fi menu and disassociate from your network. And then you can even go just by checking clicking the sort of lit Wi-Fi icon by your network name. That will disassociate you from it, but still leave Wi-Fi turned on. And that's all you need. You can, but also go into Wi-Fi settings and tell it not to auto join that network. Otherwise, you're going to wind up doing that a lot, at least in my experience.